Buying a chain like this will roughly set you back $7,000. That's only if you did not know any better. You just went into a store, decided, I want to buy this nice looking chain over the counter. And yeah, you buy the chain. And maybe 2-3 months later, you're thinking, I need the money to pay the bills. And you got this chain that you bought. Now you go to the same dude that you bought it from and you sell it to him. And you're not getting maybe 80% of the money back that you paid. And you're close to even getting that. And that's the industry scam. That's the scummy industry that we are taking a part in. I'm not taking a part in that scummy industry. Maybe you are, but I'm not. And this is the reality. Jewelers on mass-produced items like to charge 80%, 100%. I've seen 200% markups on jewelry. I seen this. Yes, me, I seen this. And they like to say, oh, yeah, this chain handcrafted and shit like that. It's all mass produced. It's all mass produced, okay? In no way, shape, or form does it ever justify a 200% markup on a 40 gram gold chain, okay? It doesn't justify, and nothing justifies it. And listen, I get it. Jewelers have to make the ends meet. They have to keep the lights on. I get this, okay? I get this. In no way, shape, or form I'm saying that you need to price it within the gold spot price. This is not what I'm saying. What I am saying, though, is had they dared charge us 200%, 80%, 100% markups over the spot price, the premium that they charge, and they got the fucking nerve to sit there and tell me that I'm the douchebag for calling this out. Okay, I'm gonna call it out, okay? Because it's a scummy industry thing and I don't like it. And I don't like it when people don't know about this. And most people don't. Most people don't know about this at all. They just think that it's a gold chain. I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna buy it. It's all right. It's a gold chain at the end of the day. Well, no, it's far away from that, okay? What you get is a mediocre gold chain that's mass produced anyways, that you paid 80%, 100% premium for over the spot price. That's what you get. You could have bought a nice Cartier bracelet. You could have at least something that's a luxury brand. I'm not talking about a normal jeweler, and these normal jewelers like to do that. They like to say, oh, this and that, that's and that. Shut the fuck up, okay? I'm so sick and tired. I'm so pissed off. And people that know about this stuff too, they like to get ripped off for whatever reason it is. Just because the dude is famous, that's it. You like to get ripped off just because he is famous. You like to pay 80% markup just because he's famous. Are you nuts? Is this what we are doing? That's what we are doing. Okay, if that's what we are doing, it's okay. Let it be. But no, when you go into a jewelry shop next time, I want you to do this. I want you to ask him what carat this chain is. Is it 14, 18, whatever it is? And then ask him, what's the gram price that you're selling it for? And when he tells you it, he cannot even look you in the eyes when he tells it. Maybe if you know about gold and the gold to the life price, whatever it is, if you know about this stuff, and they can sniff it out that you don't know about this stuff immediately. They can do that. Yeah, that's the job. They've been doing that for 20 years, okay? They can sniff it out that easily. But if you know about this stuff, they can't even look you in the eyes while they sell it, okay? That's the scummy industry that we are taking a part in. And you should not do that. Never. You should not ever do that. It's like we need to start a revolution. A big revolution, okay? We need a revolution within the gold industry. And listen, I get it. There's a premium that you gotta pay for these chains. Someone makes them. Someone polishes them. Yes, I get this. Like I said it, I get this. But it doesn't justify the 80%, the 70%, the 100% markup on these chains. That's what I'm getting off of over here. And I get it. Even gold bars and gold coins come with their own premiums, but it's not nearly. It's maybe 15%, 10 at best. It's not nearly as big as the gold jewelry industry. Know the live gold price, calculate the grams, and go from there. Negotiate from there. Don't just pay an 80% markup. Don't just pay a 70% markup for nothing. He's gonna laugh at you. Of course he's gonna laugh at you. He just pocketed 80% profit to his own pocket. Okay? He just did that without zero effort. But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you on the next one, and stay black.